Many people have heard about the law of attraction, but few people know how to use it properly. A lot of people think that it is some kind of magic because they have heard stories about people wishing for things to happen and then they did. It is not magic, but it is very powerful, and in the law of attraction code, we will show you exactly how to use it. There are many different opinions on what it is and what it isn't, and you need to know the truth about this. The law of attraction is a universal law that has been around since the beginning of time. It is always there and always will be. One of the main reasons that people want to learn about the law of attraction is they want to manifest more money and wealth. But how can you benefit from it? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how to use the law of attraction in your life. You will learn what the law of attraction really is and how it works. You will learn how the law of attraction can manifest more money and wealth in your life. You will provide yourself all that you really get in your life. You will learn how you need to strike a balance between your inner and outer self. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you attract wealth, health, and happiness. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What really is the law of attraction? How the law of attraction works. Overcoming the default process. Opportunities and luck. Applying the law of attraction step by step. Money and wealth manifestation with the law of attraction. How to handle challenges and failure. Balancing your inner and outer self. Why the law of attraction doesn't work for everybody. Best practices for developing your law of attraction code. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually attract wealth, health, and happiness. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know how to use the law of attraction in your life. You want to know what the law of attraction really is and how it works. You want to know how the law of attraction can manifest more money and wealth in your life. You want to get all that you really want in your life with the law of attraction. You want to know how you need to strike a balance between your inner and outer self. Does this sound like exactly what you need, but maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the other resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution to attracting wealth, health, and happiness, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you attract wealth, health, and happiness. I'll see you on the inside.